In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front grille on this Volkswagen TDI Jetta Wagon. It's going to be located on the front of the vehicle. Let's get into it. We're going to take these screws out up top, use a T25 socket, take these out. Now underneath the grille, I'm just going to reach in here, pull it out. It's just clipped in. Just kind of fold it down a little bit to release the clips. Might be a little stuck. Just pull it out. You can see those are the clips. It's just clipped in. Pull that out. Slide the grille in place. Just underneath. It's going to snap in. That lines up. All right, that's good. Now take the screws and snug these down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.